Hold on.
8444 Elizabeth.
Yes. No, I'm not. Woo, 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 woo. Shit, hold on, wait. 84, 35, what's this, Loomis? Loomis, 8435, Racine.
You gonna have to shoot that dog.
Go ahead.
The man take video. You have to go around. Okay,
8435 Racine, I need an ambulance over here.
got you, ma'am. 8435 over Racine. You got an ambulance.
Shit out that lady, man.
85 Racine. There's a sergeant heading that way. 13, we have you going over there for her. 620 driven off.
Let me get an ambulance over here. Watch out.
Hit him in his ass.
Watch out, sir. Back up. Back up. 611, I have a citizen that discharged a firearm. Oh, you have a... Oh.
No, not in my car.
8435 Racine. 8435. Come on, they coming, baby. Yeah. No, it won't. And I have another one that's on the loose as well, probably going down the south. No, you fine. I got it.
I have an officer on the scene right now. There was a lady that was
611, I have a point incident. We need an ambulance over here for this lady.
on 8435. What street is this? What street is it? On Racine. I was shooting the dog.
Where the other dog go?
He went back to the back hallway.
Come on. It's another one. It's a brown dog.
That's when you shot the brown dog?
How many?
It's 3 shots. You shot this dog right here?
This dog, it's another one though. It's a bigger one.
Yeah, I see you.
This dog gonna have to go down.
620.
Gonna have to.
20, go ahead. Alright, everybody take a breath. I'm on my way.
They coming, ma'am. They coming. Who dog is this? Who dog do you know, ma'am? They coming.
Get a color of the dog.
It's a great and black pit bull. It's still standing over her. I don't want to hit her.
I get somebody over to move the dog right now.
What do you do?
I'm ex-military police, but I'm a dog trainer as well. I'm also a teacher in Leo.
How can we move this dog without hitting her? It's sick. It's sick. Ah! Get back! Get back! Yeah, I don't want to hit her though. Watch out. We gotta lure this dog away. No.
I'm just saying, that's the dog. My gun's in the car. Hey, sir.
Step back.
I got dog trainers that are in the area as well.
He hit though. No, I got him. They coming. I promise they coming. I promise.
Again, ambulance 30 is on the way. Let us know when they arrive, guys.
They're coming. No, you're not. Don't say that, please. Don't say that. Go ahead. No, you're not. They coming right now. Stop moving, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move.
5292, event 02672.
I am dead.
No, you are not.
I can't. Oh, man.
Stop. I just don't want to do
Dog,
that.
he lives in that house. Another dog moved through. She done got bit up, so we kind of shoot the dog.
Are you familiar with how to? Are you the owner, ma'am?
No, she's not the owner.
Okay. Oh, no, you fine.
He bit somebody last week.
This same dog?
Yeah. That one is another one. It's another dog.
So it's in the house.
Yeah. It's a
brown one.
Yeah, brown one. And it's another. And this is the black one of last week. We can get him now.
You ain't got no choice. He can't move.
I'm dead.
Stop moving.
Stop, ma'am. Don't move.
Where you at?
They right here.
Oh, my God. I ain't never. I'm dead.
Woo! He hopping up.
What's your name? Love?
It's another one right here behind you. I didn't see the visual. It's injured, but that don't mean he won't bite her. He's gonna come.
Hey, Puppy, I'll take it. Puppy.
694.
Give me another one.
Be careful.
Look. I don't want to get this thing.
Take that shot from here.
It's gonna have to. Yeah, I already know.
You gotta put him down.
Put him down, please. I got it.
Yeah, that's next here.
694.
Please.
I'm gonna have to.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to.
That robbery yesterday was some protected district. We got yes, correct. Make sure I can follow it.
611. I had to put the dog down.
Put the dog down.
I might want to block that street off too.
Racing.
I got all that.
I can't.
Hit it one more time.
Stop moving!
We got another car coming.
Can you roll over here? Can you roll a little bit?
No, she can't move. Her arm is detached.
Oh, I had it. They broke it out of socket.
Somebody do something.
No, you can't drag her.
Jake, you can't.